What's up, everybody? Welcome back. Today, in this video, we're unboxing the SoundPEATS True Wireless Earbuds. As you can see, the box is wrapped in plastic. It's pretty nice. Clear black, minimal writing. As you can see, the box is actually pretty cool. I like the black aesthetic that they went with for this one. Now, the price on these, $30. Super nice budget. Ooh, the presentation's really, really good. Considering, like, how much these cost. Alright, let me take those out first. Not yet, not yet. Save that for the end. Alright, take off the cardboard. There's going to be the charger right underneath that little compartment. Now, unfortunately, but this is using micro B instead of USB Type-C, but for 30 bucks, it's not that bad. All right, putting these babies back in their little house, and man. Oh yeah, these are little ear tips that they added in case your ears are too small or too big. There's additional ones so you could fit the size to your liking. Some manuals and shit. I think this was like a coupon. Yeah, it was like a coupon. Alright, that's everything. Paper-wise, manuals, all that crap. Alright, putting this back. Now, closing the box. Come on. And now we get to take a look at the actual earbuds themselves. And there they are. Look how beautiful they are. Alright. Ooh, they have like a little magnet there connecting them. They're pretty small, surprisingly small. There's no hooks. I thought there would be when I open these. That is the charging case. I'm putting them in my ear right now. Actually, they're really snug. It's a nice fit. They're discreet. All right, I'm putting them back. As you can see, they connect magnetically. You could You could take them in and out, and it attaches with the magnet. Overall, I think these are pretty cool. I'll give them a proper test, and then I will come back in a few days with my official completed review. Thanks for watching.